Hi. So we'll do some sketches, paintings today. Now, thankfully, my arm is it's not fully healed, but I can sort of move it in this angle. Now, the angle of my tablet is kind of like that. So it's easier for me to draw this way. But the thing is, when I draw flat on my desk, horizontal, it kind of hurts my wrist. So yeah, I'll do some traditional mediums because I still have to do one video on the Art X markers. I want to test it out one more time for like sketches, but I'm gonna wait until my wrist is. I'll wait for a week, and then I'll do that one last video, and then I'll, yeah. What am I saying? Anyway, it's been a while since I painted something. I'll be honest, guys. It does feel good, for me to paint. So let me just try and add some colors here. Do I want this color? I don't know. We'll try this guy. How about a box brush? Yeah. Just filling in the background. I also want to test if the video lags a lot, because I am recording with my webcam over here. But the thing is, what if, because I am running like the webcam or the recording software plus Clip Studio Paint, so I want to see if it's whatever. Just filling in the background, right? It doesn't have to be perfect. What I'll do is I'll make a new layer. I'm hit maybe this guy. Who is white. I'm kind of inspired by this piece over here. I think it's by. It's a Singaporean artist. Forgot their name, but they're one of my favorites. It's kind of sad when I forget their names, just because I have so many artists that I have to like think about. Right, so I just wanna. Sometimes it's easy to do things with lines. Sometimes it's easier to do it like with blobs or like shapes instead. Right now, I do like the sort of pink nature to it. I'm gonna try some pinks. And I want to make sure I introduce some blues. Make them a little more desaturated. Like that. But just like a hot pink there. I do like that. Let's add it here. Alright. Now I could color pick. I think it's possible to color. Can you color pick? Oh, fuck me. No idea how to color pick. Can I color pick? How do I do that? I mean, there is a feature on Clip Studio Paint where you can. I think for me, my shortcut is. There you go. I can do this. But I'm not going to do that. So now that we have these colors, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to. I have a couple of references here. So let me just go find the. Oh. Yeah, this one's pretty cool. It's like pilot stuff, attire, fashion, gear. But the thing is, I don't want to be too detailed with it. I just want to get the vibes and shit. The thing about this approach is it can be somewhat confusing. I do like some orange. I think I did see some orange somewhere there. The point is I like the colorfulness of it. Okay, let me add some like darker values now. Right? With this approach, it's kind of hard to like design stuff because you're sort of figuring everything out at once in a way. and you're kind of just following your gut almost, which is not reliable. That's why people do like line art first and then they you know, they do the the rough sketch and then the maybe a finer line art layer and then some painting underneath, some base colors, and then they'll render fully on top. Right? Like, what is this? It looks like a bird. Birdie. Damn, I am rough. Let's not be so mean to ourselves right now. Or as the younger kids would say, drop off. How does it feel to drop off? So mean. Okay, like. It's happening again. I know what's gonna happen. And if you've been in this channel for like a while, like you know what's gonna happen. I can already see it happening. Oh, by the way, I have to be wary of how long I paint because this it takes a lot of space when I record this way. I could just screen record, but it kind of takes away the fun a little bit. Now, anyway, I think you guys know what I'm trying to do here. I'm gonna hit C, expand the canvas towards the top. And I'm gonna hit this guy. How about this guy? I'm gonna hit copy, paste. I'm gonna hit V, bring it up. You know what's sad about Clip Studio Paint? It doesn't like align stuff. Unlike Photoshop, it has like guides. Which is so convenient. The only thing, Photoshop is fine, but the brush, it doesn't have enough brush settings to my liking. Anyway, let's add some white here. I do, oh, the sign is really giving, it's giving hot. Anyway, you guessed it, guys, or did you not? I think I did it. No, it's kind of off. The anatomy is off, but the vibe's there. It's definitely there. You guys see it? It's one of my favorite things to kind of evoke. There you go, let's add. Oh, you know what? Let's add some pinks. A strong pink. Give it some like more brighter, more. It reminds me of the GIF of who was the guy from Star Wars, the Darth Vader adjacent guy. No, now here's the thing. Where's the mouth of this creature? Jeez, it's over. Right? What am I doing? It seems like if you zoom out, it's kind of like pop art or something. It's the kind of art you would see in like a gallery. Wow, big shot. You know, the abstract people. That's me. It's totally me. As much as I am enjoying this, I do know I can feel like my wrist is not going all the way. So it is affecting the way I paint. I'm not saying it's an excuse, but it's just something like if you know your body enough, you will kind of know, oh, that there are things like something's off, you know. Shit, I used to remember how to do it. But did I forget or something? We'll try this. Bring it down, bring it down. Do I need to zoom out and figure it out? Oh, Jesus, that way. Okay, this thing is sucking. You know what? Maybe you don't know what I'm drawing. and that's a good thing. I'd rather you not know, because if you did know, you would be like, oh shit, I think he's trying, but ugh, someone dropped off. Ugh, Jesus. Self-deprecation. I want some whites. There you go. Something like that. Someone's getting it. It's a giving. Hot. Sometimes for me, it's not really so much about the accuracy. Right? Sometimes it's more about the design. I think that's better. I don't know. We'll try that. And you know what? I'll try. Sometimes I do this. I'll select something. I'll copy it, paste it, Control T, then move it around. There's a bit of a lag when you do this on Clips to the Paint. It's much faster when I do this in Photoshop. Oh shit! Click. What? Oh, sorry. Wrong button. Let me check my time. It's 11 minutes plus. Yeah, let me find the silhouette. Meaning, where does it begin? Where does it end? You get that? Do you see the? It looks more like a shark, but I'll just say it. I'm trying to draw an Evangelion, guys. It's one of my favorite things to draw. Maybe the eyes a little too. We'll do this. Make it a little blue. There you go. Oh. That's one fugly looking. It looks more like a shark. You know, that ugly looking shark? Not to be mean to the shark people, but there are sharks out there that are just like built off. Where their mouth kind of just looks. My wrist is kind of hurting. Oh no! Push on, you can do this. Okay, if this is not working, I'm going to bring an Evangelion reference right now. I was supposed to start or combine two images like this sort of pilot thing with the other one. But, you know, this is what happens when you go unplanned. Look, I'm going to pause the video. I'm going to find myself an Evangelion reference. Sorry. You know what? I'll stop recording here. And because I want to see how long this... Because right now I'm at 13 minutes, so we'll see. Yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.